with about a teaspoon, half a teaspoon of oil. All right, half a teaspoon of oil in the pot. Okay, and then we're going to put some pimento seed in the pot. I mean, let's take it back from where we're coming from. Pimento seed. Put a few cloves in the pot. All right. We're going to take it back where we're coming from. If you know where you're coming from, then you understand why Chef Ricardo said we're going back where we're coming from. All right. Now we're going to go all the way straight to India. Here it is. Fennel seed. Very good for weight loss and detoxing the body also. All right. So we're going back where we're coming from. We're going to go all the way to Jamaica. Coriander seed. Lots of Jamaicans don't know nothing about these things. Little bit of coriander seed when you're cooking at home. Spice up the pot. We're going back all the way back to India. Again, with some cumin seed. We're going to put a little bit of cumin seed in it. All the way back to India. Here it is. Cumin seed. Okay. I don't know anything about this one because Jamaican doesn't cook this kind of way, guys. All right. Yeah, we're gonna go all the way back to India again. Some turmeric. You can use a fresh one if you like to. All right. Now we land right back into Jamaica. We're gonna put some paprika all the way back into Jamaica. All right. Yeah. Lovely. Now we land right back in London. Little bit of all-purpose season. All right. Then little bit of chili flakes. Still there, London. Now we're gonna go all the way back to Jamaica again. All right. If we're gonna land back straight in Jamaica with something. Right back at Jamaica. We're gonna go for Jamaica Valley jerk season. We're gonna put a little bit of spice tonight. I love this jerk season. Just a little bit of the Jamaica Valley jerk season. Straight back in the land in Jamaica we're gone. See it? Jamaica Valley jerk season, guys. Get this. It's mad. It's one of the best ever I use. All right. And it's normally like about it MSG free. Euros. Big up yourself. All right. Big up yourself every time. So straight to Jamaica Milan a while ago with Jamaica Valley season. Yeah. Get that one there. That one is really good. Now I'm gonna take it for the next part. Now I'm gonna go back to India. It's a pot I'm gonna mix up this evening. Straight to India I go right now. So I'm gonna land in India with some curry powder, but I'm gonna use the mild one. 1 teaspoon. All right, of the mild curry powder. Just land back in India. Let's move from India now for a little bit. Where should I land now? All right, let's come back into London. All right, we're gonna take a little bit of time in London. Let's go back to London. All right, we're gonna start it off with a little piece of a ginger. But this ginger, if you don't know which part of land right now, this is history. This is, all right. Now, I'm going to say right now, you know which part of land? Right in Uganda. Ginger. All right. Right straight in Uganda, me land. I'm going to put some, now I come back to England. I like to put this in it. All right. If you have some time, no time. Put some time in it. Still there London same way. we now move from London for a little bit. We left Uganda and come to London. All right, we're gonna get some garlic. All right, garlic. All right, that's some Jamaican garlic. So we have to use some Jamaican garlic. All right. All right. Now, may I leave out of Jamaica and I come back to London. Channel star problem. Yeah. Let's take this straight in London. Okay. All right. All right. So I'm gonna put some purple onion inside of it. Now I'm gonna take a step out of London and go back to Jamaica. Spring onion, Jamaican spring onion. All right. Now I need to take a step out of Jamaica. I go to US. Let's go to the US. All right. We're gonna go to the US for a little bit. All right. Yeah. Let's go to the US. US tomato. Well, I don't know. I'm just saying. All right. Yeah. US tomato. All right. Yeah. We're gonna take a little bit of step out of. We're going straight to US now. All right. We're gonna go to Canada. Let's go to Canada. Canada. Come on, guys. Straight to Canada. Peppers. Let's take a little look again. We're going to Europe now. Well, you know what I mean? We're there in Europe for a little bit. We're going back into the Caribbean. Yellow pepper. Sunshine rice. Lovely. Yeah, that looking good. I was just touring all different countries a while ago. So let's fry up this and see where we are. Let's see what I go on. Pot look yellow and nice. All right, so we left got to about 5 different countries a while ago, just to use up these few ingredients. So a good vibes. Hans Cooking and More. Good morning. Nice to see you coming on the show. E Rose, Spanish Town. What's going on? Rockabessa, Boscobel, St. Mary, all of them places. Yeah, nice era. Beautiful place them there. Right on the north course. Hans Cooking and More. Good morning. That smell. Yeah, that looking good. Let me see what I can find in my freezer. Oh, I find something. All right, guys. I'm gonna land at Jamaica right now. Frozen thyme and some Scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah, man. Cook some food in the evening, huh? We got the Scotch bonnet pepper night. Nice one. You know what I mean? We'll land right in Europe again. Yeah. This not take too long to cook, guys. This is simple to cook. Alright. So don't stress on yourself and I wonder if it's gonna take long. Not gonna take too long. Chickpeas is good for your brain. You know? Very, very good for the brain, guys. Chickpeas. Chickpeas curry. Mad. Yeah. Very, very good. Look at that. Whole heap of seasoning it and I mean, now I'm gonna bust the curry. Yeah. Right. Yeah. Some curry in the evening. I don't know if you know if you cook curry, you know. Lovely. Look at this. Spinach. You know what I mean? Whole heap of vegetables in this. Yes. That smell amazing. For the team. Take your time and fold it in. And fold it in, guys. Alright. Because you have to know how to cook curry, chickpeas at home. Alright. Smell nice. The smell alone. Make my neighbor then gonna complain. So they smell garlic. Alright, look at that. So once you fold it in like this, yeah. You know what I mean? Supposed to look in really nice and excellent. Alright? Yeah. Simple, guys. It's not really a big cooking this evening. It's just something simple. All right. We're gonna get a veg stock, put it inside of it. Veg stock, little bit of black pepper. You know, Jamaican don't cook with salt. Only table salt. All right. Mix it up like this inside of it. All right. Look at that. Just mix it out. And then you're gonna get nice liquor. You wanna make a base in it first, like this. See how that look nice? Yeah. Teaching how to cook. And then after, add a little bit of hot water. Not too much. All right. A little bit of hot water. Then give it a mix. It's supposed to give you a lovely little color. Right. This is how I see Hans cooking make it. Simple and delicious with a lot of flavors and taste. Nice. We now cook oxtail, you know. Just chickpeas curry. Yeah. Then what you want to do, keep look at it. Then what you want to do, just simple taste it. Mm. Ah, the flavor is so delicious that you can't get this by in Tesco. Yeah, I mean, I should even call the name. Are they big supermarket? Yeah, they big supermarket. You can't get it to buy. All right. Now, if it look like you want a little bit more liquid, simple. Just put a little bit more liquid, a little bit more, cause some people like a lot of gravy, you know. All right. So easy. Look how easy. So beautiful. And mm, wow, that this is 100 out of 100. What is this? Coriander, guys. Cause I don't cook with coriander. Jamaica don't cook with coriander. Only Chef Ricardo alone. Lovely. All right. Turn off the pot and allow it for it to simmer. Cause you now cook oxtail. All right. Let's remove all of these little bit of thing inside of it. I mean, these are the our thyme and I mean them like rosemary and get the flavor from them there already. You know what I mean? Yeah. So yeah, that looking excellent. As I say, it's not really a long cooking. It's just a simple little meal. And me everywhere I get curry up. Yeah. All right, everywhere. That looking so good. Look at that. Now, this is piece of time. You just want to remove all of these little bits and pieces inside of it. Yeah. Yeah, man. This looking excellent. All right. All right. As from next week, I'm going to start selling my recipe them, you know. Because no one donate no money to Chef Ricardo. That's me can buy more recipes. So as from next week, I'm going to start selling recipe them. I'm joking. Anyone can get the recipe them. It is a free. Yeah. That is good. Perfect. Now, everyone eat rice with curry. Chef Ricardo don't eat rice. You know what I mean? I'll show you how you do this one. All right. So you see how that look nice? Spinach and chickpeas and the curry with all the Jamaican Scotch. This is the Caribbean Scotch bonnet pepper. All right. So this looks so delicious. All right. Yeah, 100%. So my advice for you is to step in the kitchen tomorrow evening and get yourself some curry, man. Look at that. You can't get this to buy in a local shop or your supermarket. I got your book. Uh, all right. Beautiful and nice. We got the ginger. Look at the ginger. This is a ginger, you know. You might not know what this is, but this is a ginger. All right. When you cook curry, you need for it to allow it for it to simmer and set and rest. All right. A lot of people don't know these things. Lovely. Yes. So I went to India. I come back to, I just go all over the whole place with this beautiful dish a while ago. Now it's time for me to share it out. This fantastic recipe 100%. So whatever you guys do, man, you know what time is it in the kitchen? It's Chef Ricardo cooking. And yeah, chickpeas curry. You can't go wrong. The only thing is that you guys may eat this with rice. Yes, one might I want to eat this with rice. But look at this now. Because there are more healthier things than rice. And that's what I'm trying to show you. That's why, single girl, good morning. Nice to see you coming on it. Good evening. Nice to see you coming on the show. Big up single girl, you know, biggest supporter right now. Always supporting Chef Ricardo Cooking. Always I support Chef Ricardo Cooking. Thank you so much for the support. Now, the thing is, a lot of you guys, when you make this one, we're going to have it with rice. Okay? Now, the secret behind it, we don't use rice. Okay? This is what we use. Yeah. You know what I mean? Rice make you put on weight. So we can't eat rice. Look at this. See that? Look at that, guys. Wow. Look at that. This, lots of fiber you get it from this. This is more healthier. Let's try this. All right. No, not couscous. Mm. Mm-mm. bulgur, wheat, quinoa mix. Oh, you can't see it. It's bulgur, wheat and quinoa mix. Very healthy. Lots of fiber. All right, look at that. Salt 1%, 6. It's not too bad. 1.1 gram fat. That's all right. That's not too bad. All right. It's not too bad. Know what I mean, but make sure you wash it off. Just like rice. All right. Yeah. Just like rice. So, but yeah, it's better than and healthier than rice. All right. So this looking so good and nice. Mm. It look like rice and it tastes better than rice. Yeah. But just amazing. The flavor is so lovely. All right. But all right. Look at that, guys. Yeah, man. That looking excellent, Chef Ricardo. All right, let's shear it up. All right, we're gonna shear it up now. Yeah, my daughter will now go eat this, you know. He said to me, Daddy, you're cooking too healthy. Yeah, so she won't eat this kind of food. Yeah, man. But as you guys can see, it look just like rice. You know what I mean? So what I did, I kind of cook it a little bit more sticky, like rice. Yeah, but honestly, the flavor is amazing. Wow. You know what I mean? Flavor, so delicious. Yeah, man. Yeah. This looking so delicious. All right. Now, I'm going to tell you the honest truth, guys. When you have this, honestly, it's just like amazing at home. Yeah. That looking good and delicious. You saw that look nice? Craig, you're late and in the class now. Mind you, I have to expend you from the class to 1 month. You can't be late in the class. You know what I mean? Yeah, one of the teacher. Michibu, one of the student, is late again. Oh yes, look at that. That looking excellent, guys. All right. You can't late in the class. With some chopped coriander around it, guys. This is what I'm talking about. Chop no star. All the way I India, I come from right now. Left Jamaica and go straight to India. Yeah. This is amazing. All what going, you know. I like my I like my little red sauce, you know. My little red sauce is so nice, man. Honestly. Yeah, man, it's so nice. My little red sauce, you know what I mean? Really spicy and nice. Good vibes. Wow. Anyway, it's something different, you know what I mean? You don't have to eat rice, guys. You know, you see what I'm talking about. Thank you so much for every one of you guys who are watching, man. Big up on yourself. I think certain people come, Silent Girl is gone off a line. Everyone else who are there, big up on yourself. Really appreciate every one of you guys. All right. Very easy and relaxing. Yeah. Big up my, you know what I mean, my YouTube channel audience who support Chef Ricardo Cooking. Thank you so much. Sandra, thank you so much. E Rose, Craig, Mitchy Boo, all of the big fans and big up on yourself. And big up yourself. Jennifer, thank you so much. Big up my yeah, you know? Yeah. So you know what happened already. Chef, we need ah, that mercy. All right. Hans cooking and more. Happy New Year. Here's him is in the building. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it, man. Thank you so much for that big, massive support this evening, as you guys can see.